Today, we're going to create that classic anime vibe by adding speed lines to your video. This effect is awesome for action moments, reaction shots, or anytime you want your clip to feel more intense and dynamic. Let's get started. First, import your video into the timeline and tap on the clip to select it. From the toolbar below, tap on Effects. Now, head over to the Stylize tab. Here, you'll find a variety of creative effects, and among them, you'll see the speed line effect. Tap on it, and instantly, your video gets that anime style speed boost. By default, the effect applies for a short duration, but you can easily control it. Just drag the yellow edge of the effect bar in the timeline to make it last longer or shorter depending on your scene. This gives you full control over how dramatic you want the moment to be. Short bursts of speed lines work great for quick reactions, while longer durations make action shots feel even more powerful. And that's it. You've successfully added anime style speed lines in VN Video Editor. Experiment with placement and duration to match the energy of your scene perfectly. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick VN Video Editor editing tips.